was a morning like every other morning. It was just our normal life. Said goodbye to her out in the driveway, went back, got the trash barrels, took them out, went back in the house, and that was pretty much the beginning of the end.
Hello.
Hello, this is ADT. I'm receiving an alarm.
Yes, I got smoke coming from the attic. The house is on fire.
Please walk outside. I'm going to send the fire department, okay?
My wife Linda and I moved here in June. We're just starting to get settled in and get everything put in its place. Kissed Linda goodbye, and she left for work. That was about 7:20, and I went back in the house and noticed on my phone that I had a missed call from my daughter, and so I just thought I'd send her a text message right quick and tell her that I'm available. And the minute I hit the send button to send that text message, I got a call from ADT. Dispatcher told me that they're getting an active alarm from my house. I told her, well, that's where I'm at, and I said, there's no fire here. The dispatcher, she said, well, if you go to the control panel, I'll show you how to disable the alarm. So I got up and came over here. This is what used to be the laundry room, which the control panel is right here, which I punched my code into. But when I got here and opened this door, this is where the smoke hit me in the face. And so I never was able to cancel the alarm. I came over to this door, which is a back door, to let the dogs out. I went back to get the cat, but only made it to this far when the ceiling started falling through. And I made a dash for the front door from here, and this ceiling fell through right behind me. Now, as I look at it, it's just stuff. The hard part about this is losing the cat. It seemed like it took them forever to get here, but it was just a matter of a few minutes.
Norman Police, Fire and EMS.
Hello, this is ADT. I'm calling in regards of a fire alarm. There's fire in the attic.
Fire in the attic?
Yes, sir. Please send somebody to fire.
Number? Okay, phone number 1614. We'll get them on the way.
Thank you.
One in the back. Hang on, go ahead and catch that hydrant. Second unit in.
The fire started in this location right here, and the power was supplied by that outlet. This is the refrigerator that was there. It's a fairly new refrigerator. It went up this wall. In order for yellow pine to do that, it would have to reach a temperature of at least 1,500 degrees. So according to that, by the time the fire reached that temperature, I did not have long to live. Thank God for alarm systems. One of the neighbors took this picture. The time stamp on this picture was 8:01. 2 minutes later, the fire would have been unsurvivable. That was at 8:03. I was still on the phone with the dispatcher, and while I'm getting the dogs out of the house, I just kind of put the phone in my pocket. I went back to the phone, and she was saying, hello, Mr. Mendicki, are you there? Are you there? Yeah, I'm still here. I would like to tell her thank you for not hanging up, because she just could have said, okay, we'll have a nice day, and hung up, but she didn't.
And as you can see behind me, we're standing in front of their former home, which was destroyed in a fire last December. I wanted to share with you is just how intense that fire was. You can see that it melted the sign outside of the garage. I would like to replace that sign and remedy that for you, Mr. Mendicki, with a brand new sign. As one of the first steps to getting things back.
Thank God we're all here.
When you come to an event today, get to hear Gene's story, get to be a part of his story. It's pretty special, pretty powerful, and it just really re-energizes you to go back and share it.
This was really a textbook fire for us, and it was handled in a great manner by our on-scene commanders, first-in officers. Early detection and notification is a key component to success, so it's a key component to saving life. You know, here today is seeing Mr. Mendicki and those who are here alive and well. It is the true reward for us as firefighters.
I'm grateful we had each other going
to get through
this.
it. I'm grateful for him. I'm grateful to my Maker for blessing us. Even though things were not as we would like, he brought us through it, and it's because of our faith that we go forward. I'm very thankful for having a partner that was there for me.